The other good thing about this system is that if you go to your music, click on play, just turn that down a second, and then go to auxiliary, Bluetooth audio, it says it's connecting with Barry's iPhone. When you first paired it, for some reason, whether it's the new iOS update or not, there seems to be a bit of a bug in the system. But anyway, if you go to your iTunes, you see at the bottom here the red triangle and the 3 red circles, click on that, you can see My Car. If it doesn't show up as My Car, just go, one second, go into settings, down to Bluetooth. You see Bluetooth there, just knock Bluetooth off and then knock it back on again. Back to Bluetooth, and then Bluetooth on. Just see if it comes up. Yeah, there you go, it's come up now. So that, if it doesn't show up on your phone, even though your phone's paired to the system, just knock it off on the system and bring it back on. It seems to pick it up easier then. That's it.